Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the fog lights, guys, stay with us and we'll explain where to find that fuse. Now let's say you replace the bulbs, switch, and fog lights still don't work. Always guys, first check the fuse because that's the easiest thing to do. So we guys have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below with your recommendation, what you want to see or what you don't like, what you like about the channel. That will mean a lot to us guys, so we can improve and make better videos for you. Now, your fog lights guys, okay, they're controlled by one fuse, and that fuse is actually under the hood. Okay, so we're going to open the hood of the vehicle now. Doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.8, 1.4, the procedure is the same guys. We will also guys have more than 200 mechanical videos on this car on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Please guys, check it out. Quite a few videos will be coming there. So, the fog light fuse now guys. Okay, it's under this cover right here. So we need to go ahead and remove the cover. How we do that now? Okay, you have 1, 2, 3 clips. So 3 clips we squish towards each other on each end. Okay, like that, and pull up. Then the one on the front as well. We go ahead, remove the cover guys, and the fuse guys that we're looking at now, it's fuse number 48. So let me grab something to show you with. Okay, we're talking, okay, maybe adjust the angle a little bit so you can see the fuse. Okay, just like that, because the white is a little bit weird, the light. Okay, so now right here guys, this fuse is number 48. This is for your fog lights. How you guys remove that thing? Okay, you have a fuse puller right here. You have 1, 2 that you push towards the back and pull it up guys. Okay, now go on top of the fuse. Okay, make sure it catches it, then squish on the front, pull it out. Squish on the back, it will open it and you can, okay, sometimes they do get stuck, but you can go ahead and remove the fuse out. Now the clear fuses are easy to see that this one is burned, but sometimes not all of the fuses are clear in most vehicles, and it will be guys hard to tell if you have a bad or a good fuse. Then will be the case guys to get a voltmeter. Any voltmeter would work, but if you're into looking into getting an affordable, really good reader, check this thing out guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So now the bad fuse guys, if I have it set on continuity testing, it will act like there is no communication from one end of the fuse to the other one. So the screen will not change at all. I will get a good fuse now. And again, all these fuses guys will be listed in the description of the video below. I couldn't believe they were so affordable when I bought them. I'll get a new fuse. Okay, and let me show you now. Okay, what the new fuse will read. It should show zeros because there is, okay, there is communication from one end of the fuse to the other one. We'll go ahead, install it guys, and later do not forget guys, okay, to go ahead actually and get your fuse puller and install it where it's supposed to stay, because you will need it next time and you want to make sure it's there. Don't forget to put your cover on, and that will be all. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.